All right, let's do one more. Give me your.
Give me. Oh God!
There you go.
How much grease did you put on my face? Stop! It's not even funny.
Really smell really good.
I'll tell you what, that is squeaky clean. I mean, there's not one lick of grease back on my face right now.
So not only are the Grip Clean hand wipes great for getting grease off your dad's face after you prank him, but the hand soap's pretty cool too. Working around the shop, of course you get your hands really gross and nasty. I really do enjoy the Grip Clean hand soap. It foams up really nice, all the abrasive material really focuses on getting all that dirt and grime off my hands, and my hands are nice and soft after I'm done. Not only do these products come in handy around the shop, they're actually really great products. If you guys are interested in checking out Grip Clean, head over to their Instagram, TikTok, or even gripclean.com to pick up your own, because these are pretty awesome. But I'm gonna keep these for myself.